Hi, we have entered the GST era, and there are many aspects of the law that we need to learn and understand. One such aspect of GST is reverse charge. Through a series of videos, we will discuss about various scenarios of reverse charge and how to handle them in GST Ready Tally ERP9 Release 6. In this video, we will discuss about how to handle purchases made from an unregistered dealer in Tally ERP9. Inward supplies from unregistered dealer. An unregistered dealer is someone who is not registered with GST due to lower threshold limit or any other provision under GST law that does not mandate him to register. Under GST, a registered person is liable to pay taxes on purchases made from an unregistered dealer. This tax liability is called reverse charge, and registered dealer has to pay the tax directly to the department. Once tax is paid, input tax credit against the taxable supplies from unregistered person is available for the registered person. Let us take an example. You bought printing and stationery material worth Rs 5,100 from a local stationery shop. Let us assume the tax applicable on stationery material is 5%. The stationery store is unregistered under GST. In such a scenario, you will need to calculate 5% tax on Rs 5,100 that you owe to the stationery store and pay to the department. You can later claim input credit on the tax paid. Let us see how to book URD purchases in Tally ERP9. As a user, you just need to ensure that in the supplier ledger, you have changed the registration type to unregistered. Create a new voucher type, Purchase from URD, under Purchase. This will allow you to maintain a separate series of numbers for URD purchases and also allow you to print self-invoices. Press F9 in voucher entry and select Purchase from URD, pass purchases as you usually do, but without duty ledger. No calculation of taxes need to take place, even for taxable goods for such supplier. You can now print this invoice with all GST details as self-invoice. Let us see the impact of these entries on GSTR2. In the GSTR2 report, you will observe that purchase from unregistered dealer is captured under B2B invoices table. You have an option to view the GSTR2 based on classifications. You need to click Default View button to see that view. You can click Detailed to see the details under each classification. How to raise tax liability on purchase from unregistered dealer. Click Start Adjustment button from the GSTR2 report. Select the duty type as GST. Select Increase of tax liability and input tax credit in nature of adjustment. Select Purchase under reverse charge in additional details. Debit and credit the tax ledgers and accept it. Do this when you want to increase the liability and claim input credit immediately. Else, you can pass a journal to just increase liability and adjust it later against some other output GST liability. Though reverse charge is a new concept,